welcome you all. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 17 of English, and the name of the chapter is stories. So, stories are basically some incidents or some kind of events जो कि हमें बताए जाते हैं हमारे elders के जो, and we all used to enjoy those stories, right? तो जब भी आप लोग रात को या दिन में यू हैव योर फ्री टाइम और रात को आप सोने जा रहे होते हो तो यू यूजुअली आस्क योर पेरेंट्स टू टेल यू अ स्टोरी, राइट? सो बिकॉज यू ऑल आर इंटरेस्टेड इन दो स्टोरीज, राइट? हम सभी को स्टोरीज पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है, उनके इंसिडेंट्स, उनके इवेंट से हम कुछ ना कुछ सीखते हैं, राइट? सो in this chapter also we are going to have some kind of stories. Let's read about them. So first of all, we have the definition that says story is an account of imaginary or real events told for entertainment and learn. तो स्टोरी जो है वो एक ऐसा इमेजिनरी अकाउंट है या फिर उसमें हम लोग स्टोरीज के अलावा कभी कभी रियल इवेंट्स को भी बता सकते हैं एज अ सोर्स ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट, या फिर हमें कुछ लर्न करना हो तो, राइट? सो एज यू कैन सी कि हमारे पास यहाँ पर फॉक्स एंड द क्रेन की एक स्टोरी है. जल्दी से इसको पढ़ते हैं. So it says, once there were two friends, a fox and a crane. They lived in a jungle near a pool. One day the fox invited the crane for a feast. When the crane came, the fox served the milk in a flat dish. The crane had a long and pointed beak, so he could take only a few drops of milk. The fox drank most of the milk, but the crane was unhappy with the selfish behavior of the fox. But he didn't say anything to the fox. The crane went home hungry. After a few days, the crane thought of a plan to teach the fox a lesson. He invited the fox for a feast. When the fox came, the crane served the milk in a long and narrow-necked jar. He could take few drops of milk which dropped from the crane's beak. The crane took almost all the milk. Thus, the fox realized his mistake. Right? So, this was the story of a fox and a crane. Right? Next example we have of, that is, two friends and a bear. अब यहाँ पर हम दो दोस्त और एक bear के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So let's read this story also. Once there were two friends. One was thin and the other was very fat. After that, one day they were going through a thick forest. It was full of wild animals. They were two friends. Suddenly they saw a big deer. It was coming towards them. They were afraid. One of them ran and climbed up the tree. But the older one, who was very fat, could not climb up the tree. But he had to save his life. So he lay down on the ground. He held his breath. The bear came to him, smelled him. It thought that he was dead. The bear therefore went away. His friend came down. He asked his friend, "What did the bear say in your ear?" His friend replied, "The bear advised me never to trust a selfish friend." Right? So this was the story of two friends and the bear. Right? After that, another example that we have over here is the example of the story, that is the tiger, the Brahmin and the wise fox. So once there was a Brahmin. One day he was passing through a forest. On the way he saw a tiger in the cave. He was kind-hearted. He took pity on him and made him free by opening the cage. But the tiger was very cruel. He wanted to kill the Brahmin. Brahmin said to him, "I have saved your life. I have opened the cage and set you free. Don't kill me." Tiger said to him, "I am a wild animal and I will kill you." By chance, a fox came there. She was very cunning. Brahmin asked the fox to decide the case. The tiger said, "Dear fox, I was in the cage. This Brahmin opened the cage and I came up. Now I want to kill him." The fox said, First of all, let me see how you were in the cage so that I may decide. I think the tiger cannot enter the cage. Tiger heard this. He wanted to show the position, so he entered in the cage. Fox at once shut the door. She asked the Brahmin to go away then. Tiger roared loudly but in vain. Thus the fox saved the life of the Brahmin. Right? Now we have one more example over here. That is the King Bruce and the Spider. तो यहाँ पर हमें एक स्टोरी है जो कि किंग ब्रूस और एक स्पाइडर के बारे में है. जल्दी से इसको पढ़ते हैं. So Robert Bruce was the king of Scotland. He feared to defeat his enemy. He ran away and hid in the cave. He was lying in a very dejected mood. He saw a spider. It was trying to reach its web. It failed again and again. It made 9 brave attempts. The king was sure that it would attempt no more. But the spider made 10th attempt and succeeded in reaching its web. The king took a lesson from it. He was filled with new courage. He gathered his force and fought another battle and defeated his enemy. Right? So these were the stories. I hope you all enjoyed the stories, and we have also been given some kind of exercises for your practice in your book so you can practice them and increase your skills. So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you will learn something from this. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.